Have a great day to my lovely students. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 large numbers. You know that very well. The first topic is abacus. Let me write a question first. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 5-digit number is it? First you have to draw the box like that. Then just count the number. How many digits are there? 5 digits. So you just draw 5 line here, which means spikes. 5 spikes here, okay? 5, okay. That's it. Now you just write all the number one by one. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Then let's write place value of this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now let's mention the beats at each spike. Here the number is 6, so 6 beats. Here the number is 5, so 5 beats. And here the number 4, so 4 beats. And number 2, 2 beats, so 1, only 1 beat. That's it. This is how you have to draw abacus for any number. Now let's write number name of this number. To write number name, first you have to write that number. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Then you have to mention the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we can split that family members. Here ones, tens, 100 from ones family, 1000, 10,000s from thousands family. Now let's write number name 12,456. So while reading, you have to read that family members together. So 1 and 2 are thousands family. So 12,000. 4, 5 and 6 at one's family. So 456. Now let's write number name of that number in international system. So students, remember that the upper part that is in Indian system. Now we are going to convert that Indian system into international system. To write international system, first let me tell you that place values of international system. Ones, tens, hundreds from ones family, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 from thousands family, million, 10 million, 100 million from millions family, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion Arabs. Now just you write that number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Then mention that place value in international system ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now we can split that family thousands family and ones family. Now we can write the number name 12 at thousands family, right? So 12,000. 456 at one's family, so 456. So the number name is 12,456. Is it clear? Now let me give one more example which will help you a lot to understand this concept. So example 2, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is a 8-digit number, is it? Okay. First, let me write the number name in Indian system. Next, we can write that number name in international system. First, you have to write the number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's mention the place values ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. This is the place value chart of Indian system. Now let's mention the place value of this number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now let's split the family members ones family, thousands family, lakhs family, crore family. Here 1 from crore family, so 1 crore. Then 24 from lakh family, so 24 lakh. 56 from thousands family, so 56,000. 789 from ones family, so 789. 1 crore, 24 lakh, 56,000, then 789. So students, while writing the number name, you have to write that family members together. Okay, 1 crore, 24 lakh, 56,789. That's it. Now let's write that number name in international system. First you have to write the number. Then let me write that international system place value chart. So you know that very well. Let me tell you once again. The place value chart of international system: ones, tens, hundred from ones family, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 from thousands family, million, 10 million, 100 million from millions family, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion from billions family. Okay, it's enough now. Now let's write that given number: 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have to mention the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, now split the family: ones family, thousands family, millions family. So students, remember that in international system each family has 3 members. Okay, now let's try the number name. 12 at million families, so 12 million, and 456 at thousands family, so 456,000. Then 789 at ones family, so 789. 12 million, 456,000, 789. This is the number name of this number in international system. So students, don't forget that place values. That's it. I hope you all understand this concept very well now. Now let's go for next topic. So the next topic is place value. So how will you write place values? Now see this number: 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here you have to mention the place value. We can use Indian system to find the place value of that number. So what's the place value of 1 here? What's the place value of 1? Write the place value chart first. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So place value of 1 is 1 lakh. Okay. You can mention 1 lakh like that. Otherwise, first you have to write that 1. Then how many digits after that 1? 5 digits. So 50. That's it. Now let's write the place value of 2. So here 2 at 10,000 place, is it? So 2 at 10,000 place. So which means you have to write 20,000. Otherwise 2 10,000. That's your wish. Okay. Otherwise you can write 2 10,000. So 2 into 10, 20. So 20,000. So 2 10,000, or write the 2 first. Then 2 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So 40. Okay. You can use any one of that answer type. Then what's the place value of 4? 4 a thousand's place. So 4,000. Otherwise write that 4. 4 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So just mention 3 zeros. Okay. Now place value of 7. What's that? 7 ones. Is it? Or 7. Is there any digit after 7? No. So there is no 0. Next, let's learn face value. So face value of the number is the number itself. So face value of number is the number itself. Now say that example 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tell me what's the face value of 1? 1. Okay. Face value of 2? 2. Face value of 4? 4. Face value of 5? The number itself, which means 5. Face value of 6? 6. Face value of 7? 7. So students, face value of a number is the number itself. Let's go for next topic, expanded form. Expanded form means nothing but sum of place values are called expanded form. Now see this number. Here what's the place value of 1? First you have to write 1. 1 after how many digits are there? 5 digits. So 50 plus the next number. What's the place value of 4? 4. 4 after how many digits are there? 40. 4 digits, so you have to mention 40. Plus the next number 5. 5 after how many digits are there? 3 digits. So 30. Plus next number 6. 6 after how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 20. Plus 7. 7 after only 1 digit is there. So 7 only 1 0. Plus 8. There is no digit after 8. So 8. No zeros. Okay. That's it. So expanded form means sum of place value of each digit. Now let me tell you how to find standard form from this expanded form. Here the standard form starts with the number 1 lakh. So I'm going to write place value up to 1 lakh. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Enough. Let's mention that number in each place. 8 at 1's place and 1's 10. 7 at 10's place. 1's 10's 100. 6 at 100's place. 1's 10's 100,000. 5 at 1000's place. Then 1's 10's 100,000, 10,000. 4 at 10,000's place. 1's 10's 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1 at lakh place. This is the standard form of that given expanded form. Students, you have to mention comma. After that each family. One's family after comma. Then thousands family after comma. Okay. This comma will separate that family members. And also family. So students, we learned how to write expanded form from standard form. Then how to find standard form from expanded form. Thank you. Have a great day.